Hi, so I want to give you a close-up view here of various generic Sonicare replacement heads. And the reason why is lots of times when you buy these on Amazon.com, they have these basically computer-generated images and you can't really tell how they actually look in real life. So that blue-green one is the original, and you could see the various differences. Now I really like this Sonimart one because it's the closest to the original, though it has more of a medium type bristle, and this one has more of a soft type bristle. I have all of these in the description area of this video so you know which ones to actually buy. And this one is Sonitech, but hopefully you could see right now just from the zoomed in view, you know, some of the quality of it. I really like this Sonimart one because it comes the closest to the actual Philips Sonicare original, and these are about $2 a piece, while these Philips ones are usually, if you could get them for sale, you could probably get them for $3.50 or so a piece. And let me go ahead and try to zoom in a little bit more so you can see the bristles. Let me show them from the side, and even this particular one from the side, so you could tell. And you'll notice the one in the middle here, this Sonimart one, has sort of different heights on all three angles. So let me just show you the angle of it. And this is much better, of course, than the computer generated. So this one I've used a little bit, which is why you see that's the shape of it. And you know, this once again is the original. So I'm really going to compare these two because these two are the worthwhile ones to actually view. And let me show you how it's actually put on the toothbrush. So this is the Sonimart, and this one is the Sonitech. And once again, I'll have all of these in the description area, these links to Amazon where I actually got these exact ones. And let me take this off, and I'll show you, you know, these are the bottoms of them. And you know, they merely, you know, just fit on. And actually, let me just show you this original. So the original has the metal piece, but it doesn't make a big difference. And hopefully I could show you, you know, the side by side here. For it to get focused, there you go. Now you have the focus here, and you can see them from different angles. But I would recommend the Sonimart. But there you go. I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.